Welcome to Brainsight. Brainsight helps you to analyze video content for post-production optimization. Generate instant predictive eye tracking heat maps and get insights into visual attention and clarity. Upload a file and choose the intended channel for relevant benchmarks. It only takes a few minutes to process, and you will get an email notification when ready. Social videos and TV commercials have a benchmarked clarity score, showing how clear or visually cluttered the video is. To check this on scene level for post-production optimization or for choosing scenes for short formats or bumpers, use the graph underneath. The eye-tracking heat map shows where viewer attention goes, and peek-throughs validate what intuitively draws attention. Is your brand noticed sufficiently and at the right time? Use the capture tool to instantly generate heat maps of a scene and analyze them with areas of interest to check if your brand or CTA sufficiently cuts through the clutter. Share the insights in a dynamic view-only page to make stakeholders part of the analysis process, also when they are not in your Brainsight workspace. Apart from sharing, you can also download your data locally. Brainsight goes beyond predictive eye tracking with the additional brand tracking module, using object and text recognition to track your brand's visibility and impact throughout a video. It detects both logos and key messages, like product claims or taglines, and predicts their relative attention compared to other elements in the video. With this module, you gain actionable insights into key brand performance metrics, including total brand visibility, share of attention, and time to first exposure. Pre-test your TVCs, social videos, and other video campaigns with Brainsight and optimize them for stronger brand performance. Start with predictive data-driven insights today.